Every second counts in a car crash, and your airbags have to react faster than your brain can even process the collision. But how does a car know exactly when to deploy an airbag, and what happens in the split second between impact and inflation? Today, we're breaking down the high-speed science behind airbags and showing how technology saves lives in milliseconds. Airbags aren't just soft pillows, they're life-saving devices designed to work with seatbelts. In a collision, your body wants to keep moving forward while the car stops abruptly. The airbag acts as a cushion, slowing your body down safely and reducing the chance of hitting the steering wheel, dashboard, or windshield. But here's the challenge. The airbag has to inflate within 20 to 30 milliseconds. That's faster than the blink of an eye. To make this possible, cars rely on advanced sensors and onboard computers. How does your car detect a crash so quickly? It starts with sensors. Modern vehicles have accelerometers, gyroscopes, and sometimes pressure sensors spread throughout the car. Accelerometers measure sudden changes in speed. If the car decelerates extremely fast, it's a sign of impact. Gyroscopes detect rotation or twisting, like during a spin or rollover. Pressure sensors in doors or bumpers detect side impacts. All this data is sent to the airbag control unit, a tiny onboard computer that constantly analyzes signals to determine whether a crash is serious enough to deploy airbags. The airbag control unit uses decision algorithms, rules programmed to evaluate sensor data in real time. It looks at how fast the car is slowing down, the angle of impact, which sensors were triggered. If the conditions meet the thresholds, the airbag inflates. If the crash is minor, the system stays dormant, because deploying an airbag unnecessarily can actually cause injuries. Here's a surprising fact. Airbags aren't filled with compressed air. Instead, a chemical reaction inflates them. Inside the inflator is a propellant. Older airbags used sodium azide. Newer ones use advanced, safer compounds. When the sensors trigger the inflator, the chemical reaction produces nitrogen gas, filling the airbag in a fraction of a second. All of this happens in less than 0.03 seconds, creating a protective cushion between you and the car interior. Airbags come in multiple types: front airbags, driver and passenger; side airbags, indoors or seats; curtain airbags for head protection in side impacts; knee airbags reduce leg injuries. Luxury cars often feature adaptive airbags, which adjust inflation speed and force depending on the passenger's weight, seat position, and seatbelt use. Before hitting the road, airbags undergo rigorous testing. Engineers use crash test dummies, high-speed cameras, and computer simulations to study collisions. Variables like car speed, angle of impact, dummy weight, and seat position all influence airbag performance. Engineers even simulate side impacts and rollovers to ensure protection across every scenario. A few myths persist about airbags. Myth number 1. Airbags replace seatbelts. False. They supplement seatbelts. Myth number 2. Airbags are dangerous. Partially true, but mostly only if you're unbelted or too close. Myth number 3. Airbags deploy in every crash. False. They only deploy when the system detects a serious collision. Understanding these myths shows just how sophisticated this technology really is. So next time an airbag inflates, remember, it's not magic. It's sensors, algorithms, and chemistry working together in milliseconds to save lives. If you found this breakdown fascinating, hit like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments. Has an airbag ever protected you or someone you know? This is Techie Tales, turning complex tech into stories you can understand.